Platinum family, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm at work and I'm gonna make soup. The menu for today is fish soup. So I'm gonna make some fish tea for today and it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned to see the outcome of my fish soup this morning. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you guys going to be notified that I just upload a video. So the pot is on the stove, as usual. The pot is on the stove, and everything is in the pot, like the garlic and stuff is there doing this thing. So I'm going to get ready to prepare the food and everything. I'm going to start doing my prepping now to continue with my cooking. So I'm going to be right back. Alright, stay tuned. Platinum family, I'm done cook. I'm finished cook. I'm always cook early, finish done early. So I just let them know that the food is ready to serve because girl know her kitchen. So it didn't take me no time to put my and I'm trying to take it off this pan. Oops. Jeez. So yeah. So I'm ready. Food is ready. And this is the soup. Soup looking rich, thick, nice. And come here, girl. You say you're hungry.
Yeah.
Food ready? No, I'm ready. Look.
You ready? So I'm not gonna get it before Miss.
Yeah, man. Are you tell her and she say you're hungry, so tell her.
Oh, alright.
So it's up to are you the boss today?
Alright.
Yes, so food is ready. Maybe I think it's gonna serve earlier than 1 o'clock because there's persons who are peckish and want something to eat, so we're gonna have the food ready. Oh, me look like them little 70s lady today. No, people talk to me. I look like those 70s, eh? Those little 70s or 80s. Yeah, with my little bang, I'm a little tired. I always like to tie up my head because I'm in the kitchen, so less exposed to the ear falling out. Because you know you have to keep the thing together because the mesh is here, but so I have on my little red and black team today. This is my team, my little boots, you know, little hippie look. So I give them a little preview of the hippie thing. And yes, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you when I'm taking out the container, getting everything ready to set up the table outside for people to dine in and get ready for the good things then. Yep. Okay, so
people go around. Early one Sunday morning. What mama do? Breakfast or song. You said I don't say. Why not? There was no time to eat. Why? She said to me, boy, hurry to Sunday school. Sister, rest in peace, Lord.
The container is out. We get ready to serve. So these are some of the containers that we're going to be serving in. So we're going to put them in these containers with the plastic spoons and get it ready.
I don't want to serve.
Huh?
I don't want to serve because I've had a cold.
Yeah, but at least help me take it out.
Okay.
That's all the containers in it? Please.
Well, no, there's more. How many more do we need?
No,
2, 4, 6, 8, 9. How many more? 5, 6,
Karen, who you telling thank you? Who you telling thank you? You're most welcome, my dear. Everybody gets served an extra, and the soup finish. I gotta show you. The soup is finished. I gotta show you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you guys gonna be notified. I told you guys about my kitchen. Not a plaything. It's not a joke. This is serious. I'll keep hearing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Rich, thick, and healthy. Rich, thick, tastes good, and healthy. I'm going to get right back to you. Show you the pot and the bowl of what left back. Platinum family, this is the pot. Get it ready to rinse out. The pot is empty. Everything is empty. Empty. Everything is empty. The kitchen is empty, so these are trying to stretch container, it called. They're trying to stretch it to give persons a little take home. So this is all that left back. Everything is done. The stove is here to clean up. The counters are here to clean up. Everything is finished. Finish. So this is not a joke thing. When I tell you about in the kitchen, it's not a joke thing. Not a food finish. The people must say, why are you gonna make some more soup? Look at the big pot. The pot was so big. Look, huge pot. How much more could I make? You guys saw the pot. There's so much I could make. This is the seasoning cupboard. So I'm just gonna clean up and then I'm gonna get right back. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend. You could tell your auntie too, your cousin, even your husband, your boyfriend, your baby father, your fiance, your person on the side, whoever. Tell a friend. Just subscribe. Share the video now. Sure. Why I don't want to keep my phone? I always have the problem with it now. Why my friend them and my family them so platinum family? Stop it now. Share the wealth now. But the whole of it happy together now and do the buzz it something together now. It's called togetherness. Remember, it's a togetherness. Don't forget that. Alright, so stay tuned. Let me just go wash up the two something them and get right back.